The late adopter. Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome back to the channel, to the new video, also welcome to the chat community. Yes, that's the thing we're going for right now. We got a Telegram group going. It costs $1 to get in, but that's mostly because to get rid of the bots and the scams and freeloaders and all that shebang. That said, Vechain we're doing today. I haven't done Vechain before, but the reason we're doing it because my wife wanted me to do Vechain, so why not? So that's basically it. So we're gonna see how it performs. Let's get into the charts and see what's actually happening with Vechain. And a lot of people have been talking about Vechain. It's been steadily going up, so more and more FOMO is building up. So I think this might actually have some kind of a blow off top sooner or later. Because when something is being talked a lot, like it's sooner or later it just goes parabolic and then blows off. So basically, but we are not there yet. We are not there yet, and that's what I'm gonna talk with you about in this video. So today we are up at 8%, so some kind of a targets we have to figure out where it's going. So I was starting looking at the big time frames and some kind of trend lines and stuff like that. Let's turn off this, but it's hard to figure it's hard to figure it out, like where does it go. Maybe this is it, maybe this is the breakout that's happening. I got something else for you that I don't think a lot of people has, and that's this trend line over here that we are just gonna draw right now. It's very nice trend line. It's a support line up down here, and it gives us some kind of a feeling of where the support is. So what we can do with this line right now is that we can expand on it. We can do like this, so we can make a parallel lines with this line over here and see actually where the price is might actually go later. So I especially like this these tops over here. So if we move it up to the tops and make it almost get to the tops, also this wait, that wasn't supposed to happen. Wait, so we can extend it a little bit down just so you can see it. Maybe something like this, yeah, like over here. So it looks nice. It looks nice. Maybe it's not all that perfect, but you know what's perfect in life? What's perfect in life? Maybe something like this, because I like that it's hitting this bottom down here. So basically, right now we are in some kind of rising channel over here, and it looks like we're gonna try to hit this top over here. It looks like that. It's looking like we're gonna try to hit the top up here. Right up here, that's at 0.15. So next target should be 0.15, and right now we are in uptrend. As you can see here, we have broken this this resistance up here on the daily. We have been going in some kind of a triangle lately, right? We're going in some kind of triangle. We broke the triangle, we got out, and now we are pushing upwards, and we are pushing upwards all the way to the 115, and after 115 the target should be probably all the way up to the next line up here. But I think that's more long-term target. That's more long-term target, all the way double the price. Well, how long-term target is? Once this starts going parabolic, it will hit it sooner or later. But we want to look at this long-term now. Just what do we want now? What do we want to happen now? And that's this. We want to hit, just like over here. We want to hit this midline over here, and preferably pass that midline. How we're gonna pass it and how far this is gonna go, that we are not quite sure of. But we are the target is 1.15. So now let's look at some indicators over here. You can see here that we are getting the bullish cross on the daily right now, and that's good. But this chart actually, it's very MACD on the daily is very bad, because you get so many signals, you know. This is bearish, this is bullish, this is bearish again, this is bullish. But bullish signals are actually quite good. They extend for a while. So if this bullish signal over here on the MACD, the crossover, the bullish crossover, when you get into these green candles up here, if this works out, that actually might put us above 1.15. So that's very good. So that's bullish, very bullish right now on the daily. Let's look at also on the weekly. The MACD is a weekly, like it's been bullish forever, so that doesn't matter. Okay, that's the MACD. MACD looks very bullish, and now we are not overbought on the RSI or nothing like that. I mean, it's been going steadily up for a while, but we are not overbought. We are only at 82 on the weekly and 72 on the daily, and below 90, 88, below 90 in the strong in the bull market, in strong uptrends, this indicator, RSI indicator, doesn't get overbought unless you get hit like 90 levels or something like that. So I wouldn't say we are overbought. All good on the indicators as well. So this is looking quite good for Vechain. In fact, and right now it's in uptrend because we broke this this resistance up here, all-time high, previous all-time high 0.09. So we are actually at $0.1 right now, and we are going higher. Let's see the moving averages. How are moving averages looking? Of course they're gonna look beautiful. Like, look at this. This is the 10 moving average and 20 moving average pushing the price upwards. Let's see on the 4 hourly above all the moving averages, and on the 1 hour above all the moving. This is actually gonna go further right now. This is gonna, yeah, this is about to break. This is about to get a pump, because this is 10 moving average. Sorry, this is the 1 hourly. So right now we start pumping. You can see it pumping, actually pumping here on the Vechain, actually goes all the way down to back down to the blue line, So where's the blue line? All the way down here. So it can actually get back down to the almost level and retest the previous all-time high here at 0.09. Where it's gonna do that and retest over here, it depends. Let's look at it. Let's look at it on the 4 hourly. We are hitting the 100 moving, but not nowhere close. And on the 4 hourly, on the Vechain is climbing. At least the last run was climbing the 20 moving average. So 20 moving average is also down there. So yeah, some kind of pullback. I would wait for some kind of pullback, at least the 10 or 20 on the 4 hourly, or the blue line, the 100 moving average on the daily, before the getting in. But like, not financial advice, you do with your money what you want to do with your money. But this looks perfect. This looks very nice. There are no better signs on this right now. It's gonna continue going up. The target should be around 115, at least to hit this middle line over here. Whether that's gonna happen today, tomorrow, how many days it's gonna take, that's hard to say, but it looks bullish. I understand why people are talking about this, because it's not one of those coins that how much has this pumped? 10x. It did 10x from the over here. So it did it outperform Bitcoin? Yeah, Bitcoin did 5x. This is 10x. So yeah, outperform Bitcoin. So 10, 20, yeah, it outperformed Bitcoin. So it's doing fine. Like, I mean, some altcoins doing a lot more than 10x and stuff like that, but there's no problem. I understand why people like it, because it just keeps on going up. I think you people got scared, a little bit scared down here. I'm guessing in was that late February or something like that, and then like slowly it's been, and this is the reason why people have been talking about it. Entire March has just been going up, and it's gonna continue going up all entire. It looks like it's gonna continue going up entire April as well, because this was the consolidation period. This was the consolidation, and right now this is finished, and now it's gonna continue going up. So preferably you're gonna get one more of these moves. Preferably you wanna hit this line over here, but because once you start breaking this line over here, I think this is gonna start going parabolic, because it's not going parabolic yet. It's just climbing, slowly climbing, but the speed and the change the speed and the movement has to change sooner or later. So maybe it's already changing, because we did not hit this bottom down here. So right now maybe the new angle is actually this one. The new angle is actually this one, and you have to look for the climb on this line over here. So when it starts going back to the moving averages on the 4 hour and stuff like that, maybe that's the line to look for, where it should be climbing. So all in all, it's a little bit what are you gonna I don't know what to call it, but yeah, it looks good. It looks good. Anyways, subscribe to the channel if you want to see an update on Vechain. If my wife wants to see update on Vechain, you know, we're gonna do Vechain again. Also, like the video, because the YouTube algorithm helps small channels like mine rank up and stuff like that. And check out the Patreon page to get into the chat community. It's a small community, like, but there are not 10,000 people there like that. You matter somehow, you know. It's nice. Thanks for watching, guys. See you around. Bye bye.